Yes, students, after a break, that's a Diwali vacation, we are what interacting, we are discussing. Actually, regular college should be there. Offline lectures were expected to start, but because of the strike, that's a state transport employee strike, issues are there for the students to come to the college. So online sessions are there. No problem. We have to continue. We have to cope up with the situation. I had given you the many videos and assignments also. And to my surprise, I am finding only 8 students are there. Those are regular. I show their presentation also so that you will come to know who are those 8 students. Manthan, Namrata, Sridhar, Gopal, Tanay, Mayuri, Vedika, and Vaibhavi. These only students are regular in assignment submission. Still 27 students about are there who have registered in this Google Classroom. They are not regular. If anybody is there in this classroom, is in this class FIBSC, but not registered for the Google Classroom, then do register and complete the assignments. Yes, students, is it clear to you what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good,
Yes.
good. Yes, I hope and expect that you will complete it very soon. But it is necessary. You need to complete. Let college be offline, but I will ask you whether you completed those assignments or not. It is mandatory. And about that, already I had a discussion with you. I asked you what should be the last date. Accordingly, also I kept the last date. Now last date is over. Let submission will be there. Nonetheless, but complete the assignments. Students, days are changing. Practical approach is coming in the education. Till now, what was happening, not only in India, many where such things were happening. Students were coming to the college, teachers were providing the instructions or the lecturing system was there. And lot many students were attending those lectures, means they were listening the instructions, they were learning a beginning level, and then at home they were practicing, they were working, they were learning, further learning, applicability learning they were doing. Means it was an expectation. It is an expectation of this current system. But practically what happened? 99% students were not working at home as the way with which they were expected. Because learning needs practicability. Learning needs a practical approach. Learning needs application. And that was the main thing and it was lagging. So students were with only the theoretical concept only to pass in the examination. But in true sense, if it is to apply, they were not able to. For example, ice is a solid state of water. And usually we say water, that's a liquid state of water. So solid state is a compact. But that compact solid floats on the water. That's ice floats on the water. Density differs. But why it is so? Theoretically, student studies, hydrogen bonding is there, students can answer those. But practically, when application needs to be performed for cognizance, student fails. And that's a great failure of the education. Therefore, you might have heard that you might be educated, you might be with a certificate, but application concepts are not there. Application cognizance is not there. Application approach is not there. So what is the change now is going to happen? Flipped classroom. Flipped classroom means information for that purpose which lecturing was there previously or now also we are doing that thing, that students can get from many ways. Many sources are there to get the information. Many websites are there, many videos are there. You can learn Bohr's theory. You can know various spectra for the hydrogen molecule. You can understand electronic configuration. Not necessarily the beginning should be done by the teacher. So student will learn, that's the beginning, at his or her own, and then will come to the college or institution for what? Application. And their practice of application should be there. Means as like we say practical, no? Practical means not necessarily only experiment. Yes, experiment when you perform, that's a practical. But for theory also practical remains. Therefore we say practical in the mathematics. Mathematics, theoretical aspects are there. But never everything only in theory remains. Application remains. Even in arts also, application remain. Even in commerce also, applications remain. So practicals are there for those subjects. So what do you think practical means only experimentation? No, concept is debarred now. So flip education, flip classroom is coming. You have to prepare first, and for application you have to come and under mentor, under guide, under coach, under teacher, you have to work to practice. So that improvement will be there. Proper and thorough learning will be there. It is now current approach for the education. Solid. It's a perfect approach. It's my view. So days are changing, students. You also should work accordingly. Therefore, I am giving the assignments to you. And if doubts are there, problems are there, yes, you are free to ask. Therefore, we are conducting such sessions. Wherever applicability problem is there, yes, be free to ask. I am here to explain. Yes, students, whatever I told about the assignment completion, that's the first point. And second point about the changing scenario in the education. Are these 2 points clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. All you are brilliant. Yes, now as we planned, as we decided, let we have the questions and answer sessions. I'm eagerly waiting for your questions. Yes. Who is with the question?
Sir,
Yes, Vaibhavi.
I unable to found the energy gaps for Fund and Humphrey series.
Energy gap for Fund and Humphrey says. Okay, just wait. I hope you could able to see the screen now. Could you able to read this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Good, good.
Yes, sir.
See here, first series is a Lyman series. It is in ultraviolet region. Next is a Balmer series. It is in the visible region. Next is Paschen, infrared region. Bracket, infrared region. Fun, infrared region. And afterwards, Huygens series is there. So from the sequence, you can understand in hydrogen, different energy levels are. Electron, whichever is the first shell, that's a 1s that we say. I'm not talking about S here. At the time of Bohr, he talked about the shell. First shell, second shell, third shell, first level, second level, third level, orbit. Likewise, the concept he has come. Orbital concept is different and orbit concept is different. So basic ground level energies n is equal to 1. Principal quantum number is equal to 1. That can come to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, likewise up to infinity. Infinity means very large energy level. Will you answer energy at low state, energy at ground state, energy at n is equal to 1? Will it be less? Or energy at n is equal to infinity? Will it be less? Where will be the low energy? At lower orbital or orbit? Lower energy or
N is
higher
equal
energy?
to 1.
Yes?
N is equal to 1.
Right. N is equal to 1 is the ground state, therefore the hydrogen where energy is lowest, energy is low. As you go high, energy will increase. Last time I had a discussion. If you want to shift this electron from n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2, what you will do? You will provide energy or you will get energy.
We will provide energy.
Right, you will provide energy, so electron will absorb whatever you will provide and will go to n is equal to 2. Or from n is equal to 1 can go to n is equal to 3. Or from n is equal to 1 it can go through n is equal to 4. Or it can go from n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 5. Likewise, the story will repeat. But whatever I am talking is regarding absorption. Electron will absorb energy. Electron will take energy. But once electron goes to the high energy level, electron will not remain there always. Electron wants to come down. Electron wants to come to the ground state. Electron wants to come to the home. And what is the home ground? N is equal to 1. So if wherever electron is there in the higher energy level, will come to n is equal to 1. Fifth energy level, come to n is equal to 1. Fourth level will come to n is equal to 1. Third level will come to n is equal to 1. Second level will come to n is equal to 1. So all those transitions, all those returns, answer for my question, will give energy out or energy will be in there. Energy will absorb for the transition or energy will come out.
Energy will come out.
Right, energy will come out, and those energies, those wavelengths, those colors are none other than spectra. When energy we find because of return to the n is equal to 1, we say that as which series? When return is there to n is equal to 1, this is the name of which series?
Lyman series.
Right. Lyman series. And when there remains return to n is equal to 2, what we say?
Balmer
Balmer
series.
series.
Right. N is equal to 3.
Paschen series.
N is equal to 4.
Bracket series.
N is equal to 5.
Fund series.
And n is equal to 6.
Humphrey series.
N is equal to 6. So if you know the value of n, you can find the value of energy. Means energy at higher state minus energy at lower state. You will get delta E. That's the energy gap. None other than energy for that photon, energy for that wave. And once you know this energy for that wave emitted, this wave is emitted, you can find out wavelength for that, or you can find out frequency for that, or you can find out wave number for that. It is a game of the energy levels. It is a game of the energies. Question by Vaibhavi was about Fund and Humphreys series. In case of Fund, return is to the fifth energy level. See, energy is minus 0.54 electron volt. Here it is represented in terms of electron volt. Standard unit for the energy, SI unit for the energy is joule. So it can be expressed in kilojoule if it is needed. But during my videos, I had emphasized to express it in terms of joule. Many times we ask a student to work with SI system. So we also should work or follow those SI systems in our numericals, in the problems, or while solving. For unit conversion, yes, I agree. But during the data presentation, it should be presented in the SI unit. So I worked with the joule concepts. You can find out the energy for n is equal to 6. How can you find out? Minus 13.6. Yes, will anybody help me? How to find energy for particular orbit or particular level? What's the formula for energy? Energy in the nth orbit, energy in the nth level is equal to minus. Minus sign indicates there is attraction. Minus sign indicates that electron is binded to the nucleus. Yes, minus 13.6 divided by, yes, help me. Now here, in terms, it will be in terms of electron volt, if it is there then. Yes, minus 13.6 divided by, yes, Bohr's theory. How to find energy of this n? Now, I show you this chart. At least from that you find out. See, when E is equal to minus 13.6, n is equal to 1. Whereas a minus 3.4, it's a 2. 1.51, 3. 0.85, it is 4. 0.54, it is 5. Yes, you can generate formula on the basis of the data also. That energy is equal to. See, only memorization, no meaning over there. You have to apply. If you go on applying, automatically you will remember the formula. There is no need of by hearting.
So minus 13.6 upon minus 0.54.
No. 0.54. No. See, for first level, energy is 13.6. Time being, I am omitting or not considering this negative sign. For n is equal to 2, it is 3.4. Yes.
Energy at means En is equal to minus 13.6 divided by n.
Divided by n. Okay, time being consider it is n. See, for second energy level, second means minus 13.6 divided by n. Suppose it would have been there, means n is equal to 2, then that answer will be somewhat 6.8. But it is not 6.8. It is exactly half of that, 3.4. Yes, now work on that. What's the formula?
Twice of n.
Okay. Twice of n. Good. Application at least you have done, but it is not correct. I provide you one more data. When n is equal to 3, then it is 1.51. If it would have been the twice of n, then 13.6 divided by 6 should be there. Yes, students, could you see the calculator?
N square.
Right. I want to know, could you see the calculator?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 13.6 divided by 6 if I do, I'll get answer 2.26. It is not 2.26. How much is the energy? Energy is 1.51. One said rightly. I don't know who said. Yes, who said? Who had given the answer?
Tanay.
Tanay, yes. N square is right. So with the help of this formula, we can find out the energy for nth level. So for 6th level also you can find out, 7th level also you can find out, 8th level, any level you can find out that energy. Energy gap between that the higher energy level to the lower energy level, that will give the delta E value. And from that wavelength and frequency we can find out. So wavelength emitted because of transition from 5th to 4th. Sorry, we're talking about the Fund series, no? 6th to 5th. And energy emitted in the Humphreys series from 7th to 6th. That's the highest energy radiation or the low wavelength radiation. That in each series you can find out. Vaibhavi, had I answered your question or do you have any additional question?
No, sir. I got the answer.
Okay, you got the answer. Yes. Any other question? Yes, Vaibhavi also can ask, or any other student also can ask the question. Yes, individually ask. Vaibhavi, any additional question now?
No, sir.
Mayuri, Tanay, Namrata. Now I have the doubt whether.
No, sir.
Okay, students are there or only mobiles are there? Tanay, Mayuri, no response. Sridhar, Tanay said
No
no.
question.
No question. Neha,
No, sir.
Vedika,
No, sir.
Manthan.
No, sir.
Okay, Sanika and Sanika Patkar and two Sanikas are there. Have you replied both Sanikas?
No, sir.
Yeah, replied. Both have replied. Okay, fine. No question. Then it is also the point of question means you are not studying. There is a question for your study. So be regular in the study. If any doubts are there, any questions are there, we are here to discuss. I want to know from you whatever the videos are given to you for the preparation, are they helpful to prepare or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 2-3 students have replied. Yes, all others are
Yes,
replying in the chat box. Okay, good. Yes. So if you have no questions, then shall we stop now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next time be with the questions. Lot many questions I want. Do well, study, and with preparation come here. If you have no question, the next time I will ask the questions to you. And before that, before next lecture, I want that you should complete the assignments. Okay, with this declaration, I stop this discussion, I stop this lecture, I stop the recording. Quit now. Lecture is over.